Hello all, we are going to view thermostat parameters. Control mode of thermostat can be heating, and cooling. Heating and cooling control value output can be selected one object for both or two objects for each modes. If via two objects is selected, heating and cooling control type can be set individually. But if via one object is selected, heating control type settings will be applied to cooling control type settings. The parameter defines the behavior of the control mode after bus power return. For switchover between heating and cooling, if only via object is selected, mode of thermostat can be changed only from KNX bus. If automatic is selected, device logic will change the mode according to set point and deadband. The parameter defines the behavior of operating mode after bus power return. Parameter determines the data type of operating mode objects. Data type of operating mode objects can be used as 1 bit with separate objects for each operating mode or 1 byte for all modes. Minimum and maximum set points can be defined. Set point step can be selected from list. Set point temperature can be set cyclically and by change of set point. Default set point temperature of operating modes can be adjusted for heating and cooling individually. Control type can be selected depending on the controlled unit. For more information about control type parameters, please see Eclipse push-button switch manual. Additional stage can be enabled for both heating and cooling. If yes is selected, additional stage can be disabled or enabled from KNX bus via related object. Offset from set point parameters defines the difference between set point and room temperature to activate additional stage. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.